juice cleanses, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic everything, artificial nothing. Of all the things you'll try to stay healthy, why not start with the most basic? A comfortable, perfectly germ-free environment to breathe in. Maybe it's time to rethink your air.